How to make a paracord bracelet, cobra knot or Solomon weave with the paracord joined with the microcord. In the next few minutes I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful paracord bracelets. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Enjoy! So for this project we're gonna use two sets of paracord and two sets of microcord. The paracord we're gonna use is neon green and the yellow, and the microcord is black and the blue color. But before we start, if you learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial we have in the top right corner of this video. First, take the shorter piece of neon green and we're gonna create the bracelet core. So we're gonna create a little loop and then lock it with the snake knot, so the left cord on top of the right one, around and to the back, and this right cord from the back around and through the loop on the right side here. Once more, we created the loop, and with the left strand we cross it on the right and around and from the back next to the right strand like this, and with this right strand we're gonna go to the back and we're gonna return it from the back through the loop here. Now we're gonna measure our wrist. Simply take the loop and make it around the wrist, and always leave a finger between your bracelet core and your wrist. So here will be enough, and that's where we're gonna create the stop knot. We're gonna make the diamond stop knot. So pull your cords between your fingers, twist this right strand on top of the left strand, and then simply with the left strand under the right strand and into the loop and under itself and to the top. So I'm gonna pinch a bit so you can clearly see. So into the loop, under, and then back and through. As simple as that. Now we're gonna tighten it a bit, and from here we're gonna simply take the right strand and make it around and next to this end here and through the loop, sorry, through the middle, as you can see here. So next to the cord and through the middle, and with this strand here next to this cord and again through the middle. Once more, check your wrist. We're gonna just tie the bit this knot here and we're gonna proceed. Now we're gonna take the Paracord JIG . And now from the other side we're gonna join the microcord and paracord. As you can see, it's strong enough. Now we're gonna proceed. We're gonna take our joint paracord and microcord and we're gonna insert it from the back under the bracelet core, like so. And we're gonna take the left strand, make it on top of the bracelet core, and with the black one on top of the neon green or the left strand, and under and through the loop on the left. So this is a basic Solomon knot or a Cobra knot or Solomon weave, as you wish. Here with the last weave, we're gonna take the microcord, we're gonna insert it into the bracelet core, and then we're gonna return it into the loop with the microcord. So here, and then simply pull a bit this end of a microcord, pinch it, and then we're gonna tie it, as you can see. And now we're gonna pull this smaller part through. So we locked our microcord on the same end where is our paracord. Now we're gonna detach it, cut it off and melt it. So we finished our bracelet without a buckle. Now we're gonna do one with the buckle. So we're gonna take the cord strand. As you can see here, I already got it, the longer yellow, and joined with the microcord. So our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, and wishing you just best. See you soon. Bye.